Hi, this is Little Ape, the admin of APENFT Marketplace. I'll help you connect your wallet and get started with APENFT Launchpad. First, go to apenft.io and click Connect to the top right. Then click Tron Link after logging in. Sign in Tron Link to give approval. Then click Profile on the upper right corner and you can see the NFTs and tokens in your account. You can also go to Launchpad from the top of the home screen and join our Launchpad mystery box sales. We have new and exciting projects with quality mystery boxes ready for you. Now, go to the project currently featured on Launchpad and enter the purchase screen. Pick the mystery box you want to buy and select the amount of boxes and then click Mint. After getting approval in your wallet and paying for the box and gas fee, you should be able to see the box in your wallet. Find the box you just bought. Click Open and you will get the NFT item inside. Please note that you will be charged a certain amount of gas fee for opening mystery boxes. After the mystery box is open, it will take some time for the NFT inside to arrive. Please be patient. And that's how you buy NFTs on APENFT. Easy, right?